back in Vegas, and I wanted to give you guys a tour of our room. Sorry I sound nasally. I'm congested right now. I have really bad allergies. Anyways, we are staying at the Westgate Resort. It's like a block or two off the strip. We're only staying here one night because, actually we're checking out today, but we're only staying here one night because we have reservations at Vidara for tonight. So I just want to give you guys a quick tour of this room. We stayed here before one time. It was not that long ago. I think this one is like not newly, but I think this one has been renovated. So let me start off at the front door. Okay, so this is the front door when you walk in, and then it looks like this. We have a little table right here to get ice. And there's a drawer right here, and then right here you have the closet, and it's also a full-length mirror. And here is the restroom. There's some storage down here for towels, and then you also have a blow dryer, and then another drawer right here, and then it has this mirror also. And here is the shower. It's a pretty big size. And then when you come out, you have another full-length mirror. And we have the two beds right here. You have your safe, some more storage, and then more storage areas. These are pretty big drawers. And then you also have a fridge. So that's in here. And you have a desk area over here. Outside, there's not much. You have a good view of the mountains though. So what our room looks like. Okay, so that's a quick little tour of our room. I hope you guys like it. So our room number is the north elevators in number 3125. So this is a little tour of the room. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the vlog.